3, 2, 1, go!
And here we go. Already we can see human players firing their fuel over from the outpost. That might make all the difference here in auto. We got esports for the Red Alliance side. They've grabbed a whole hopper full of fuel and are firing into their hub in autonomous. On the Blue Alliance side, you see BOGO bots moving there a little bit. They've managed to get their mechanism up and running and are firing that fuel into the hub. Now we're in Teleop, starting off the Blue Alliance side. Their hub is active, but the Red Alliance are also firing, so we've got some action on both sides at the moment. Esports carefully strafing and firing their fuel in. Meanwhile, their alliance partner, Robotics, is rushing that midfield. All the robots in the midfield now, trying to scoop up as much fuel as possible, moving it into their robot or onto their side of the field so they can access it later. Fuel is flying across to that Red Alliance side. Midfield's already looking a little sparse with the fuel. Meanwhile, the Blue Alliance, their hub is active now, and we've got BOGO bots firing off a volley of fuel. Red Alliance side is now active. Esports firing an arc of fuel into their hub. Working alongside them, we have the Robots. They're looking to get in position so they can get their mechanism firing. We've got some defense. We've got circuit breakers over on the Red Alliance side, trying to knock off the alignment of these robots, seeing if they can prevent them from getting that stream of fuel into the hub. Esports managing to evade them thus far, though, but their hub is running out of time, and now it's the Blue Alliance time to shine. BOGO bots, they have a stream of fuel coming out from their robot heading into the hub. Meanwhile, their alliance partner Geode bots heads back to the midfield, trying to get as much fuel as possible over to their side of the field. Esports also trying to scoop up that fuel, firing it over to the Red Alliance side. Blue hub is still active. Can anyone get more fuel into that hub before it goes inactive? It's fading out there now, which means Red Alliance is on. Esports already in position alongside Robots, both of them trying to line up and get firing. Seems like we're overshooting a little, but some of it's bouncing back in via the net. We are also seeing RJ Cyber Demons. They're in the midfield, maybe trying to head some fuel through under the trench to bring it to their alliance partners. Defense again from the circuit breakers, looking like they're being quite effective there in preventing Robots from getting firing. It's the Blue Alliance hub now. BOGO bots already in position with huge amounts of fuel being fired into their hub. This is a very close game at the moment. Let's see which side can tip it over the edge. We only have about 15 seconds left, so every piece of fuel is going to count. Robots putting in a valiant effort there, trying to get all the extra fuel off from their side of the field. BOGO bots also doing the same. They've run up to their hub and are firing that fuel in a stream. It seems like this is going to be an exceptionally close match. Only the final scores will tell us the answer. And the Blue Alliance takes it. Only a 1-point game there, folks, with 135 for red and 136 for blue. This means that 3 ranking points for the win go to the Blue Alliance, but each side earns a ranking point for supercharging the hub, or energizing the hub, my apologies.